If you've acquired used AirPods Pro 3, factory resetting them is crucial to sever the previous owner's link and reclaim the device. This process erases all personal data, including pairing history and custom settings, ensuring your privacy and security. Start by placing both AirPods in their charging case and closing the lid. Then, open the lid and locate the setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold this button for approximately 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white. This indicates the AirPods have been successfully reset. Note, as of September 2025, Apple's Find My network can lock unpaired AirPods, requiring the original owner's iCloud credentials to unlock or reset them. Verify ownership before purchase to avoid activation lock issues. If the previous owner has marked the AirPods as lost in Find My, it is impossible to reset them. If you have legitimate proof of purchase, Apple's support can help in some situations. After the factory reset is complete, your AirPods Pro 3 are ready to be set up as new. On your iPhone or iPad, ensure Bluetooth is enabled and open the AirPods case near your device. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect and pair your AirPods. If you experience any issues during pairing, ensure the AirPods are not still associated with the previous owner's Apple ID in their iCloud account. If so, you'll need their cooperation to remove the devices from their account. It's recommended to update the AirPods firmware post-reset for optimal performance and the latest features. To check the firmware version, connect the AirPods to your iPhone, then go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the eye icon next to your AirPods, and scroll down to Version. Regularly resetting your AirPods can also resolve minor connectivity issues and maintain optimal performance over time, especially with continued software updates from Apple.